Loey Lane was born on May 20, 1993, in Georgia, USA. She will be 27 in 2020, and her zodiac sign is Taurus. She has not disclosed the names of her parents. However, it is known from her Instagram post that she has lost her father. She has a brother named Christian. Lane met her husband in high school. Tyler was a U.S. Army officer. They had an on-again, off-again relationship for 7 years before deciding to marry. In 2012, the couple married. She is 5 feet 5 inches tall and weighs around 90 kilograms. Lane is a self-assured and amazing individual. Lane has a positive attitude and encourages plus-size women to love their bodies. Her net worth is estimated to be around $493,000.